today I will discuss about carbohydrates. First is, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates or carbs are sugar molecules along with proteins and fats. Carbohydrates are one of three main nutrients found in food and drinks. Your body breaks down carbohydrates in glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy for your body cells, tissues, and organs. Why is carbohydrates important? Carbohydrates are crucial for providing the body with energy, especially for the brain and nervous system. And they are also important for digestion, fiber intake, and overall health. Here are more detailed explanation of why carbohydrates are important. The first one is energy source. Carbohydrates are body primary source of energy. They are broken down into glucose, which cells for fuel. And the second one is brain function. The brain relies heavily on glucose for energy, making carbohydrates essential for cognitive function and mental clarity. Next one is digestion. Digestion, fiber, a type of carbohydrates, promotes healthy digestion, helps with regular bowel movement, and can contribute to a feelings of fullness. Fiber benefits. Fiber-rich carbohydrates like those found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart diseases and diabetes. Muscle function. Muscle function carbohydrates are important for replenishing glycogen stores in the muscles, which are used during exercise and activity. Other nutrients. Many carbohydrates-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are also good source of vitamins, mineral, and other essential nutrients. Management. Weight management. Will some diets restrict carbohydrates, a balanced intake is important for overall health and can be part of healthy weight management plan. Cellular function. Cellular function carbohydrates are also involved in cell recognition and protection, playing a role in the immune system and other vital functions. Here are some examples of carbohydrates. Fructose, legume, starch, sucrose, brown rice, candy, glucose, oats, and sugar. That will be all. Thank you.